Hello, welcome back my gorgeous people. I'm just going to show you this set that I did last week, this stunning black and silver set that I done. Now I've already prepped my lady's nails, pushed back her cuticles, etched a nail plate, dehydrated and primed, and now I've fitted my forms because I want to get into sculpting a bit more, so I'm trying. So I'm just coming in with a clear base now. Now I'm not brilliant at sculpting, so you have to bear with me. So yeah, so this lady had these nails on for I think about 5 weeks and she'd lost a couple. So rather than tipping, I thought, right, I'm going to get on and try and get better at this form fitting malarkey. Forms I've used here are the Glitter Planet forms, the Nail Mate ones. I just find they fit. They're just super easy to use. Like, I love them. I have got a discount code for that. It's Kerry Rees 10. Get your 10% discount off your order. So on this index finger, I'm just doing a extended nail bed. I'm using Birthday Suit. So I've placed the bead on in reverse method and I've blended it back. And I'm just swiping the sides of that with the sides of my brush, just so that I get a nice shape. And just placed my cuticle bead on there as well. Tuck that in the smile line and then blended it forward. And then just tidying up those sides. So I've just got like a super fine holographic glitter, silver glitter there that I just picked up with a wet bead and I've just brushed on because I'm coming in with this chunky glitter which is Diamond from CJP. And I'm just placing that on, bringing it down now because I'm going to leave that top corner of that clear. And then I'll come back to that one and cap it in a minute. So full silver nail on here. This is metallic silver from CJP. You literally need the tiniest amount. And I've used this actually quite a lot over the year and a half I've had it. And literally the pot is almost still full. Like, it's so pigmented. A little bit goes a super long way. So on this now I'm just going for a mixture of the black and silver. So I've placed this first one on and as you can see how it ran back a little bit, bead was a little bit too wet. So I'll just come straight in and remove that off the skin because we don't want it to cause any lifting. And it's sort of gone in a diagonal motion and then sort of alternating the colours, and then I'll add some glitter afterwards. Just came in with a bit more black there because I actually put too much glitter over it and just covered it. So I just removed my forms and I'm just capping these nails. I'm not very in shot, I know, sorry about that. So I have got 1 or 2 videos of short nails ready to be edited if anyone's interested, if they want to see some short sets done. So I'm just capping over this glitter. Like I said, always cap a little bit wetter when I'm going over a full glitter nail. Sorry if you can hear that rustling, that is my child raiding the sweets while I'm sat here. Come on then, get down. Share those with George, please. Yes. And put your rubbish in the bin. Yes, they're 7 and 9 and they still need telling to put their rubbish in the bin. Yeah, I forgot to press record when I started with the thumb. Oh, and I've obviously missed out. Oh, okay. Well, sorry about that. So I did my reverse smile line, and then once that was dry, I just went in with just black on the free edge. I don't know why that's not on there. Sorry about that. I'm just coming in using my Deck-Free Top Gloss. And there's that gorgeous smile line. These used to frighten me so bad, but I actually love doing them now. So once I actually get my applying forms down to a T, because sometimes I struggle. This lady was quite easy, they fit her pretty perfectly, but once I'm down with it I'll show you a video how I apply them, but I'm not going to show you right now because it will just confuse the shit out of you. So on this black now I'm just coming in with CJP White Magic, just rubbing it in over that top gloss. It just gives like a really beautiful like gunmetal grey. Just brushing off the excess, that's just a makeup brush. And then I'm going to float my top coat over the first one, and then I'll do my second top coat thinner and cure for 30 seconds. No, 60 seconds. I don't know what I'm on about, it's too damn hot. I don't know what's going on here either. I shall have to have a word with my editor. This is just not acceptable. See how pretty that is? So now I'm just coming in with some cuticle oil. Oh, I love me a smile line. Yeah, so let me know about the short sets, and yeah, I will see you all soon. Thank you for watching. Bye!